The Mac Mini has always been the underdog of the Apple lineup, the quiet achiever that sits on your desk and just works. But in 2026, the underdog is about to become the predator. Apple is preparing to launch the Mac Mini M5, and according to every leak from the supply chain to the secret labs in Cupertino, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a hostile takeover of the desktop market. If you are a video editor, a software developer, or an AI researcher, the M5 Mac Mini is about to render your current setup, and possibly even the Mac Studio, completely obsolete. We are breaking down the 2nm architecture, the Fusion chip design, and why the M5 is the first computer ever built primarily for the era of Apple Intelligence. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's talk about architecture, because this is where the magic happens. The M5 chip is the first Apple silicon built on the groundbreaking 2nm process. For those who aren't tech nerds, here is why that matters. It allows Apple to cram billions more transistors into the same tiny space. This results in a massive 25% jump in efficiency and a 30% boost in raw power. But the real headline is Fusion architecture. Rumors suggest Apple is using a dual-die design for the M5 Pro, essentially fusing two high-performance chips into one. This gives the Mac Mini M5 Pro up to 18 CPU cores and a GPU that is 45% faster than the M4. This tiny box is no longer a budget Mac. It is a workstation that can chew through 8K ProRes video like it's a 1080p YouTube clip. But raw speed is only half the story. The year 2026 is the year of local AI. We are moving away from the cloud and bringing the brain of the computer directly onto your desk. The Mac Mini M5 features a neural engine that is 3.5 times faster than anything we've seen before. Why should the average person in the USA care? Because of macOS Tahoe. The upcoming OS is built around local LLMs, large language models that run entirely on your device. Whether it's generating complex code, creating photorealistic images in seconds, or a Siri that can actually manage your entire digital life without an internet connection, the M5 is the only chip capable of doing it without breaking a sweat. It is the first AI-native desktop ever made. Now, let's address the design. Apple shocked the world with a redesign of the M4 Mac Mini, shrinking it down to a 5x5-inch footprint. For the M5, the exterior remains largely the same, but the internals have been completely hollowed out and reimagined. The cooling system is the star of the show. Using a new capillary thermal exchange system, the M5 Mac Mini stays ice-cold even under full load. You could be rendering a 3D environment in Blender or compiling a massive app for the Vision Pro 2, and you won't hear a single fan spin. It is a silent monster. Connectivity is where the M5 Pro model truly separates itself from the pack. We are seeing the debut of Thunderbolt 5 on the Mac Mini. With speeds up to 120 gigabits per second, you can transfer a terabyte of data in seconds. This isn't just for fast hard drives, it's for the next generation of displays. The M5 Pro can drive up to three 6K displays at 60 Hz or a single 8K display at 120 Hz. For a creative professional in 2026, this level of screen real estate on a device this small was once a pipe dream. Coupled with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0,